Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car seat travel trays on Amazon. When your child gets bored, the drive can become a hassle. The solution is a car seat travel tray. It is a child's personal play and study center and keeps them occupied during long drives and road trips. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Lusso Gear Active Toddler's Travel Tray. Going on the road with children poses some unique challenges. It can be tricky to get them to enjoy sitting still, making the Lusso Gear Active Toddler's Travel Tray useful. It has enough storage to keep lots of supplies within reach. The dry erase board engages their creative side and doubles as an eating surface. This tray enables easy cleanup. A built-in cup holder keeps drinks close by, holding them steady to prevent spills. The tray incorporates a clear cover to protect touchscreen devices. Mesh pockets with elastic attachments make it easy for your child to access his or her toys. By reinforcing the stitching and using a durable textile, you needn't worry about tears or frays. The tray is flexible enough to store easily, folding up compactly in between uses. Number 2. Kenley Kids Travel Tray. This travel tray is a great addition to a family trip. Not only does it come in a neutral color, but it also features a divider for easy partitioning. It will keep your car's interior mess-free, since its side walls are high. Playtime is fun with this tray. The multiple storage options can hold varying sizes of toys and play materials to last an entire trip. There is also a dedicated iPad holder, so your little one will stay entertained. You will love how you can incorporate feeding time into your drive. The multiple compartments can hold small snack boxes, while the collapsible flap has 2 cup holder pockets deep enough to hold large drinks. The carrying strap is well padded, as is the strap that fastens around your child's body. The latter keeps your child secure and does not chafe the skin. While the tray's reinforced sidewalls help keep everything in place and heavy-duty buckles enhance its safety, you will have to air it out to get rid of the factory odor. You also need to be extra careful with the Velcro straps, since they easily attach to fabric. The tray also lacks 2 front buckles, and if you keep items in all the pockets, they can easily fall out. Number 3. My Specialty Kids Shop Kids Backseat Travel Tray. Your child can bring their car seat travel organizer with them. It's shaped like a carrying case that zippers shut with a long strap. It measures 15 to 2.5 and 11 inches and is constructed of 100% 600D polyester. There's an abundance of pockets to keep everything from your tablet to crayons and snacks organized. The durable material is of the same quality that adult laptop carriers are made out of. You can customize it with a hole for a headphone cable. One drawback of this tray is that it hangs on the back of the front car seat. Number 4. Beko Children's Travel Toy Tray. Easily set up this universally compatible travel tray and organize everything in mesh pockets. It measures 17 to 12.4 inches and is constructed of durable PVC material. When folded flat, there's an adjustable shoulder strap for easy transport. You'll appreciate the extra large storage pocket that's built into this travel tray. It also has a wet tissue pouch for convenience. The detachable mesh pouch makes it easy to bring some items with you. This travel tray stands out because it also comes with a doodle mat and water pen. The downside of this tray is that the smooth material is slippery, allowing items to slide around and off the tray. It's also large when folded, making it cumbersome to store in your smaller-sized vehicle while not in use. Number 5. EcoZen Lifestyle Car Seat Tray. Your child will love this bright pink and purple travel tray. It comes with a fun unicorn theme print on the tabletop portion. Unique to this tray are the proprietary front buckle straps that support the tray and keep it level. The walls are soft enough to make the tray safe yet sturdy enough to hold items within the confines of the tray. The construction material is non-toxic and PVC-free nylon that's stitched together with top-quality craftsmanship. The surface also has a waterproofing treatment, making cleanup quick and easy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.